In this video, I will be discussing you Perplexity AI image generator, the new way to generate image, and let's just see how we can actually do it. So for that, you're going to be using the image generation option, and you can see on the left side we have discover, spaces, and many more. So to generate an image, you simply need to enter in here a prompt. You can see we have this labs option that is going to be helping you to incorporate different options as well. So how to generate images using Perplexity, right? That is the question. And the thing is pretty easy. You simply need to go back. You can see we have a free version here. So click on continue. And of course, to generate an image, write in here the prompt that you want. Let's just say create an image of a cat, something like that, and hit that enter, and it is gonna be starting with that. So basically that's how it works. You can see it's generating, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more.